Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about chapter number 14, chemical effects of electric current, and this is the exercise of this chapter, part 2. 7 questions of this exercise we have already covered in the previous video lecture, and now we are going to discuss the question number 8 onwards, right? So this is question number 8. A child is staying in a coastal region. Test the drinking water and also the sea water with his tester. The child have the tester to test the conductivity of the liquid. Now he took two type of liquid. One is drinking water and other one is sea water, right? He found that the compass needle deflects more in case of sea water. Can you explain the reason? The question states that the child found that the sea water gives the more deflection in the compass needle of the tester, whereas in drinking water the magnetic needle deflected slightly. This is because sea water contains salts, right? And due to that salt, the liquid becomes more conductive. So, magnetic needle deflects more, right? The sea water contains huge amount of salts in comparison of drinking water. Hence, the sea water is better conductor of electricity and it produces stronger magnetic field in the wire. Hence, deflects the compass needle more. So, this is the answer of this question. Now, question number 9. Is it safe for electrician to carry out electrical repair outdoor during the heavy downpour? Explain. Now, children, during the heavy downpour, due to the conductivity of water, it is not safe for the electrician to carry repair work outdoor, right? So electricians should avoid this situation, and in dry atmosphere he or she can repair the electrical appliances. No, it is highly dangerous to carry out electrical repair outdoor during the heavy downpour. It can cause electrocution as water is good conductor of electricity. So this is the answer of question number 9. Question number 10. Paheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water, right? Means the distilled water means pure water. So rainwater is also the pure water, right? If it is pure water, so it should not conduct electricity, right? And for the testing of that, Paheli collect some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler. Glass tumbler is also clean. So she collected some rainwater in the glass tumbler and tested it using the tester. To her surprise, she found that compass needle shows deflection. What could be the reasons? Now see, if rainwater is as good as distilled water, so it should not conduct electricity. But in this experiment of Paheli, magnetic needle get deflected. It means it is conducting the electricity. Now, what should be or what could be the possible reasons? Student, above our atmosphere, rainwater is pure, means it is as good as distilled water. But when it enter in our atmosphere, Due to pollutant of our atmosphere, this rainwater becomes polluted, and so many salts involved in the rainwater at the surface of earth. So it becomes good conductor of electricity. So Paheli's tester get magnetic compass of Paheli's tester shows the deflection. Rainwater is pure water which is an insulator, but it get mixed with air pollutant like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from and form acidic solutions which are good conductor of electricity. So the compass needle of the tester shows the deflection, right? So it becomes conductive due to pollutant. Now question number 11. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. Now student, you can see there are so many objects which are electroplated. Some shiny material deposited on the desired material material to give the shining to these objects, right? So we are going to discuss we are preparing the list of objects which are electroplated. Objects that are electroplated are door handles. Now you can see the door handle are shiny. Taps, rim of cycles, showers, handle bar of cycle, bikes, gas burners, tin cans, metallic almirahs, buckles of blades, belts, so many ornaments in the market, right? So all these objects are electroplated. The chromium is the material which are coated over the iron objects. For example, in case of this taps, in case of lock and key, they are very shiny due to the electroplating of means coating of chromium, right? So this list can be broadened. Now question number 12. The process that you saw in activity 14.7. Actually this activity is in your textbook, NCERT textbook. So you should go through that activity. The process that you saw in activity 14.7 is used for purification of copper. Activity is related to the purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as the electrode. Now this is a container. There are two rods. One is impure. This is impure copper rod, and this is the thin sheet of pure copper. This is the second electrode. This is pure one, right? Now copper from the impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Actually what happened, we filled some copper sulfate solution over here, and then a battery is attached. So towards the impure we have to connect the positive terminal, and for the pure type of copper we have to connect the negative terminal. Now what happened, copper ions transfer from the impure rod to the pure copper sheet. Okay. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? Now see, impure rod should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So the copper ions will detach from the impure copper rod and transfer to the pure copper plate. This is the process of purification of the copper. So the thick rod of impure copper plate is attached to the positive terminal of the battery, because when electric current pass through the copper sulfate solution, it get dissociated in the copper and sulfate. The free copper, being positively charged, get drawn from the negative terminal of the battery and get deposited on it. On the other hand, loss of copper from the solution is regained from the impure copper rod, which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery. Means the final conclusion is that impure copper rod should be connected with positive terminal of the battery. Right? So these are the questions of this exercise. Thank you very much.